Here's just a quick video of what these two looks like. These are the old headlights. You know, pretty foggy compared to the new ones. Here's a side by side. The front is really bright, looks awesome. And the corner lights, turns out, yeah, the bulb was just out. I'm not sure what light bulb is right here. It may have been another flasher, a red and blue flasher, I'm not sure. It's got a silicone base, a rubber base, so it's not like you can just pop it out. But your headlights are looking awesome. Okay, replacing the overhead light. It's this bulb that's flashing. So it might just be loose. That's what I'm hoping. This one just works fine. So we'll find out. The overhead light is ripped out. Right here, there it is. This light bulb works. This is the one that was on the passenger side. This one just flickers. Okay, I got the spotlight partially installed. I'm just looking to see. Yeah, I haven't screwed it in yet, but it's not turning on. So I'm gonna test to see if it's actually getting power or not. And if it's not, I'll have to look around and see if the wire was disconnected somewhere or if I just need a new fuse. Just checking the fuse. I think it's this guy right here. 20 in the corner there, and it looks like it's good. So that does mean it's not just the fuse, like I was hoping. Not actually getting power to this wire, so it's probably just completely disconnected. All right, the new light bulbs, LEDs came in. And this is the aftermath of me trying to find the spotlight wire, but those are gonna go in there. So me, in all my infinite wisdom, did not check the left side of the fuse there. I checked one end and it lit up and I was like, oh yeah, it's a good fuse. No, it was a bad fuse, and that's the one right there, the one that I replaced. You can see it's transparent. And that's replaced. And what do you know? Come over to here and get the light test here. Here's the wires attached to that. Bam, we have light. Thing is, the switch on the spotlight still doesn't do anything. I'll have to figure that out. But hey, at least it was just a fuse. I'm happy about that. But while I have all this out, including the fuse box taken out from here, I'll probably end up hardwiring my dash cam instead of just plugging it into the 12 volt right there. So yeah, I'm kind of glad I did all this. It was a learning experience. Well, turns out it was literally just not pushed in all the way. So now this attachment bracket is a bit, it fits up here, it doesn't fit down there, it's just space. So I'm not gonna try to bend this metal or anything. So I'll just get an extra long screw and then drill some new pilot holes. Got the dash cam hooked up. I ended up using this fuse right here to tap into. What was it? It was number 33 on police interceptors. Apparently fuse 33 was for a fire suppression system. I have no idea if that was taken out of this car, but it was probably definitely disabled. The button for it would have been right there, like mounted right to those two screw holes. So it's been taken out, but the fuse still works fine, and it's hot when the car is turned on. So that's what I needed, and I'll no longer have to use this guy right here. I can unplug that and take all those wires out. I just gotta hide this wire and put it up on the dash cam right up there.
1 week later.
So turns out there's water leaking through right here. The spotlight hole. I thought it'd be pretty tight, but I guess a little bit of water's getting in. Because it rained and my seats were kind of wet, so I'm not too sure where it's getting in. But I'm going to try to use this gasket rubber here. It's for plumbing, but should work just fine for this. and I'll cut it out the size and put it under that little bracket piece. So I got the gasket put in. It lays flush with everything, and it's a really tight seal. But I was watching a video and I realized that this metal piece here doesn't rotate. It's not supposed to. So this is just a housing for it. When I had this earlier, before I added the gasket, it was rotating. I thought that's how it tilted. But apparently this is just supposed to tilt when you turn this. That's supposed to stay still, and this tilts because it's attached to the rod. Obviously, I'm missing the bolt right now. It's over there. But even with the bolt put in, mine doesn't tilt like it's supposed to. So I'm going to have to figure out why that's happening. Well, it turns out that I just needed to tighten this a lot more, this fastener in the handle here. And now the entire thing works just fine. It stops right about here, tilts it from side to side, comes down, stops right before the windshield there, perfectly there so you can fold it when you're driving. And of course everything still works just fine. So overall, pretty much fixed. Hopefully that also fixed the water issue. If it didn't, I'll try to apply some some silicone or some caulking to it. But I think that should, for the most part, keep a lot of water out.